Good morning, everyone. Let's learn again the exposition of the divine principle. So, we are now in section 4, the last days and the present day. So, we can deduce that today is, in fact, the last days. So, last days. By examining the various circumstances of the present age, so we can recognize in the circumstances the restoration of the three great blessings which God has purposed in His providence of restoration. So, restoration of the three great blessings. So, this is the sign of the restoration of the first blessing. So, individual perfection. So, the first blessing is perfection of individual character. We see signs of the restoration of the first blessing in that number one, the spirituality of fallen people is being restored. Okay. So number two is the history moves toward the recovery of the freedom of the original mind. So number three, true human value is being restored. Number four, original love or original true love in fallen people is being restored. So from this, we can see that the present time is the eve of the last day when we can reach perfection of individual character. So we go to the signs of restoration of the second blessing. Okay, so God's second blessing is a forming family perfection, society and world where goodness reigns. Okay, so number one is brother and sisters in Jesus Christ. Okay, so brother and sister Jesus Christ is restoring the second blessing of God. Okay, so number two is at present our world is divided into two, the democratic world and the communist world, in which has been establishing regimes on Satan's side, and good side is the which creates seeks to create societies in God's side. So these opposing forces that are point of intersection. So hence the present age is the last days because the second blessing is being restored. Okay. So the last blessing, the third blessing, the signs of this is the creation. So the third blessing means dominion over the natural world. Okay. So there are one, two. So God's providence. Of restoration through religion, philosophy, ethics, and so forth has been gradually elevated. The spirituality of fallen people toward God and the modern world, there is evidence that people are regaining the worthiness to govern the creation through heart. Okay, so number two, modern people have built an extremely comfortable and pleasant living environment through the economic progress that has accompanied scientific development. So, observing signs of the reestablishment of God's third blessing, we are assured that the present era is the last days. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.